The Honda CD series was developed in Japan in the early 1980s as part of Honda's strategy to produce commuter-friendly motorcycles. The term CD originally stood for Compact Dream, a nod to Honda's earlier Dream motorcycles that inspired affordable, daily use models. In the 1970 and 1980, the CD series expanded across global markets. Honda launched various models with engine capacities ranging from 50 ঘন সেন্টিমিটার to 125 ঘন সেন্টিমিটার, including Honda CD50, Honda CD70, Honda CD90, Honda CD100, Honda CD125. Among these, the Honda CD70 became a global bestseller, particularly in developing countries where affordability and fuel economy were top priorities. The CD series gained huge success in South Asia, especially after Atlas Honda began local production in Pakistan in the early 1980s. The Honda CD70 quickly became a household name, known for its long-lasting performance, simple design, and low maintenance costs. 2. Design and build quality. The Honda CD motorcycles were designed to be lightweight, durable, and simple. The CD70, for instance, features a steel backbone frame that ensures strength while keeping the bike light and easy to handle. The design is modest, minimal graphics, chrome fenders, and a rectangular headlamp that gives it a classic appeal. The seat design prioritizes comfort for both the rider and the passenger. Its upright riding position makes it suitable for long commutes and city rides alike. The fuel tank has a modest capacity around 8.5 liters for the CD70, but offers excellent mileage, making it ideal for budget-conscious users. Honda's attention to quality materials and precise engineering means that even older CD models often remain functional decades after their manufacture, with minimal mechanical issues. 10. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda CD series lies its small displacement 4-stroke engine, simple, air-cooled, and fuel-efficient. For example, the Honda CD70 is powered by a 72 ঘন সেন্টিমিটার single-cylinder, 4-stroke OHC engine. Despite its small size, the engine delivers excellent performance for daily commuting, producing around 6.4 horsepower and 5.0 Newton-meter of torque. It uses a 4-speed constant mesh transmission, known for its smooth gear shifting. Key engine highlights: air-cooled for minimal maintenance, excellent fuel economy around 55–70 km/h. Kick-start mechanism now replaced by self-start in newer models. Simple carburetor system for easy tuning and repair. The engine's hallmark is reliability. Many users report that their Honda CD motorcycles can run for decades with basic care, regular oil changes, chain adjustments, and air filter cleaning. 4. Fuel efficiency. Fuel economy is one of the strongest points of the Honda CD motorcycles. The CD70, for example, can easily achieve 60–70 km per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. This incredible mileage has made it the most popular choice for students, workers, and delivery riders in fuel-sensitive markets. In a time of rising fuel prices, the Honda efficiency remains its biggest selling point. It represents economic mobility, allowing millions of people to travel long distances affordably. 5. Maintenance and durability. The simplicity of the Honda design means that maintenance is straightforward and affordable. Spare parts are easily available almost everywhere, especially in Asian countries. Local mechanics are highly familiar with the model, making repairs easy and cheap. Common features that enhance durability: sturdy frame resistant to daily wear and tear, reliable suspension setup for rough roads, long-lasting mechanical parts, rust-resistant chrome plating. Many owners proudly say that a Honda CD70 can last for 20 years or more with proper maintenance, a testament to its legendary build quality. 6. Riding comfort and handling. The Honda CD motorcycles offer smooth and stable rides, ideal for daily commuting. With its lightweight frame, just around 82 kg for the CD70, the bike is easy to control in city traffic. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers provide decent comfort on bumpy roads. The seat height and ergonomic handlebars are designed for comfortable posture, making it easy to ride for hours without fatigue. Although it's not a performance bike, it provides the perfect balance between comfort, control, and practicality. Shot. Market reputation and legacy. The Honda CD series, especially the CD Shottor, is not just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of trust. In countries like Pakistan, owning a Honda CD Shottor often means owning a piece of family heritage. Many households pass down the same motorcycle from one generation to the next. Its resale value is also remarkably high. Even after years of use, a CD Shottor retains strong market demand because buyers know it's reliable and cheap to maintain. In regions with challenging road conditions, the rugged design and mechanical simplicity make it a preferred choice over modern, complex motorcycles. Art. Modern versions and updates. Over the years, Honda has continued refining the CD lineup. The latest versions include Honda CD Shottor Dream, a sportier version with updated graphics and sleeker design. Honda CD X-Show Dosh, larger engine variants available in some Asian and African markets. Euro E technology introduced to meet emission standards while improving fuel efficiency. Electric start and updated carburetor systems in recent models. Despite these updates, Honda has wisely preserved the core philosophy of the CD series: simplicity, economy, and reliability. Noi. Competition. In the entry-level motorcycle segment, the Honda CD faces competition from models like Yamaha YB X-Show, Suzuki GD X-Show Dosh, United US Shottor, Road Prince RP Shottor, Super Power SP Shottor. Even with competitors offering similar specifications, the Honda CD consistently maintains a dominant market share, primarily due to brand trust, resale value, and proven reliability. Dosh. Conclusion. The Honda CD motorcycle stands as a timeless masterpiece of engineering simplicity and dependability. From its modest Shottor Ghono centimeter engine to its iconic design, the CD series has served as the backbone of affordable transportation for millions across the globe. Its success is not built on luxury or performance, but on trust, economy, and endurance. Whether you are a student, a worker, or a small business owner, the Honda CD is a motorcycle that simply does its job every single day. Even in an age of electric and high-tech bikes, the Honda CD Shottor remains an icon, a symbol of practicality and reliability that continues to define Honda's legacy in the motorcycle world.